Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by downloading the OneDrive installer from Microsoft for Windows 10 or 11. Save the installer to your Downloads folder and run it as administrator. Follow the installer prompts to install OneDrive into C, /program files /Microsoft OneDrive on your laptop. Accept the license agreement and allow any required permissions. Wait for the installer to finish and confirm the app launches. Restart your laptop if the installer requests it to finalize the setup and ensure services start correctly. Open the OneDrive app after installation and click Sign In with your Microsoft account. Enter your email and password, then complete two-step verification if prompted. When asked, choose a local OneDrive folder such as C, /users /your name /OneDrive for your synced files. Confirm the folder location and click Next to continue setup. Use Selective Sync to pick which folders to sync now and reduce immediate disk usage on your laptop. Open OneDrive settings from the taskbar icon to manage syncing options and preferences. Enable Files on Demand to keep placeholders for files and save local disk space on your laptop. Use Selective Sync to remove large folders from local storage while keeping them in the cloud. Pause syncing temporarily from the OneDrive taskbar menu when you need full network or CPU resources. Access any synced file through File Explorer or sign in to the OneDrive web interface to view or download files remotely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.